It's Bekah and welcome to the Carriage House, a little place to find cozy inspiration for your hearth and home. Today I'm doing a little bit of spring and St. Patrick's Day decorating in our little farmhouse kitchen on the northern plains of Iowa. For dinner tonight, I thought I'd make a classic Dublin Coddle made up of fresh leeks, sausages, golden potatoes. It's so delicious. So I'm really glad you're here with me today and have stopped by for a little visit here at the Carriage House. So now I'm going to prepare my leeks, onions, and carrots for this delicious Dublin Coddle. And Dublin Coddle is a classic Irish stew that's made in one pot, which is good, with green leeks, sausage, onions, and carrots, along with golden potatoes. But my husband asked me to make this for him all the time, and it's wonderful to make this time of year. The green and freshness of the leeks remind me of those early spring days, but the warmth and comfort of the stew makes it wonderful for those chilly spring nights ahead. I'm going to soak the leeks in cold water just to bring out all the sand that happens to be trapped inside them. But just smelling the aroma and freshness of these leeks while chopping them brings me back to the good old days of gardening, which I'm really looking forward to. Take the time and thank Anna Louisa for sponsoring today's vlog. They're an online jewelry store that offers beautiful, sustainable, and affordable jewelry. And I absolutely love these cotton pouches that each piece of jewelry comes in. And you can use them for all sorts of things. A change purse, a place to store bobby pins, buttons, and other little small findings. So I did choose 4 pieces of jewelry total. And the first one is the Adriana set, which are these beautiful stackable gold-plated rings. And next 3 are of a pretty butterfly theme, which would be perfect for springtime. And I'll show you everything. But all these pieces make wonderful gifts as well. They're hyperallergenic, water-resistant, tarnish-resistant. So I highly recommend you checking out Anna Louisa. I'll leave all their information down below, and I even have a coupon code for you, and you can enjoy 10% off your purchase. kitchen is beginning to smell amazing and comforting. I crisped the bacon and removed them from the pot. And now I'm browning these sausages and then going to saute all those gorgeous leeks, onions, carrots, and then add a few other interesting things. So gonna do all that and we'll see how it all turns out. So thank you so much for stopping by for dinner and a little bit of decorating. I'm wishing you all well. Stay safe, my dear friends. Bye.